Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Fabfitfun spring box. Now I have done one before, I did the winter box, but this is the spring version, and just look at the box. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. It's so big, I'm having trouble like getting it all in view. But it is very bright box, and I don't know what I've gotten. I think I might have chosen a couple of things, and I don't really remember what I picked those. But I haven't opened this box yet, so I'm excited to see what is in here. But let's go ahead and get right on into this video. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. The inside of the box is also very pretty. It's very purple. I like it. So the first thing I see is, of course, our magazine. They always send a magazine, I believe. And it usually just has a bunch of things about the products. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what I've got, and also I will also show you what the other options are, or what the other variations I guess could have been. But I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside for now. And I'm just going to go ahead and just open it up and just pull the first thing out that I see. Alright, so the first thing I see is this, which I think it might be sunglasses, so I'll just go ahead and pull them out of the bag. Now I think this is like maybe the only thing that I actually customized myself. Kind of a cool bag. You just kind of push this and it kind of opens, and then I'll pull out the sunglasses. Alright, so these are the Australia My Girl in Black Smoke sunglasses. These retail for $55. I don't think I've ever owned pair of sunglasses that cost that much. Alright, so these are the sunglasses. They're really cute and I really like them. Let me show you kind of the side. These are the arms. It doesn't have a nose rest, which that might bug some people, but I mean it does have a nose rest, but it's just not like the, you know, like the obvious one. But anyways, so these are $55. I'm going to go ahead and try them on. This is what they look like on. I think they're actually really cute. I actually really like them. So like I said, this is the one thing that I believe I did choose, but I think all the other stuff I just left up to them. So let me show you what else you could have gotten if you didn't receive this one. You could have received another pair of sunglasses. You could have received a picnic set thing over here. And then the last thing you could have gotten was a Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, which I was really tempted to get that one, but I just went ahead and got the glasses just because I don't really have a really good pair of sunglasses. Alright, so next thing I see is, okay, I know I'm going to butcher the name. Oops, I just about dropped it. So it's, however you say that name there. It is the Copper Plated Measuring Spoons, which these are actually really, really cute. I think I'm going to say that about everything. Everything's really, really cute, but it is true. Let me go ahead and open these up. Alright, so I would say these are more of maybe a rose gold than an actual, I don't know, they don't really strike me as copper looking. So these are them here. They're really shiny. They're very pretty, and they don't feel like, they're not super heavy, but they're not cheap feeling. And these retail for $15. So the other things you could have gotten was this body lotion and a mystery item. That's pretty cool. I am glad I got these. I don't think I chose this. I think I just left it to them, but I was kind of hoping I'd get them, but I wouldn't have, you know, been mad either way. Alright, next thing I got was the Two Bandits Athens necklace. You guys can see it. It's a little bit shiny. The color of it is silver, so it's very pretty, and this retails for $30. Alright. Oh, wait, before I move on, let me show you what else you could have gotten. Siet London Translucent Powder, which I wouldn't have been mad about getting that. I actually kind of wanted that, but that's okay. Or you could have gotten this Sip It by Swell, just a water bottle. I believe a very well insulated water bottle that could have held, I think, cold or hot drinks, which really, any of these really sound pretty good. But moving on, I think the next item, this item is something that everyone gotten, so it wasn't just, they send 3 products, I think, every box, and it's usually 3 products that everyone gets. So it is the Needle No More Baggage by Dr. Brandon. I have received this item before, I believe, in a BoxyCharm, and it is pretty good if you have trouble with, you know, puffy eyes, or I think it helps with dark circles. This is what it looks like, and I will probably be passing this on to someone or possibly putting it in a giveaway, just because I already have one of these and I haven't been going through it that quickly, so I just don't think there's any point in me keeping this. And that retails for $42. And this is another product that everyone got in their box, and it is the Away Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. And this retails for $26. And the last thing that everyone would have gotten, oh Jesus, this is heavy. No wonder the box is heavy. Alright, and it is this charcoal champagne body scrub. It's very pretty packaging. I love that color. I'm going to go ahead and just smell it. This retails for $42, by the way. I don't know why, I just like to sniff stuff. It's got a very interesting smell. It smells, it reminds me of like Jolly Ranchers for some reason. It's like very sweet smelling. So I am excited to be trying this out because I do like exfoliators. So those are the 3 products that everybody would have gotten in their box, or has gotten. Alright, moving on. Let's go to, next product is the Tulia skincare, I think it's a facial cleanser. Yes, face cleanser. And this retails for $28. I do like cleansers, so I am excited to get this. Oh, it's sealed. I can't smell it because it's sealed. Oh, it smells really good. It smells very fresh. And the other products I could have gotten was this kind of detox like scrub brush, I believe, and then this jump rope, which out of the 3, I'm glad I got this one because I just don't think I would have used these 2. It's just not really something I would use. This is the last product in the box, and it is the Show Me Your Mummy. Show Me Your Mummy. It is a robe, I believe. Ooh, it is really pretty. Alright, so here it is. It's just a very lightweight robe, but it's very soft. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Wow. I am really glad I got this. Okay, so the other options, oh wait. Oh my gosh, the retail value for this is $84. Wow, I don't think I would have, oh, no. I'm cheap, so I wouldn't have paid that for this. But the other things you could have gotten was this backpack or this diffuser over here, in which I'm really glad I got this. This is so pretty. Oh, it feels so nice too. Okay, so let me go ahead and get my phone out, and I'm just gonna tally everything up. All right, so the overall value for my box was $304. Wow, that's a really good deal considering I only paid, what, $50 for the subscription box? I believe it's 50. It might be like 54. I think they either charge tax or they might charge shipping. I'm not for sure which one it is. I'm really happy with this box. I mean, there's a lot of good stuff in here that I will be using a lot of. Especially, I love getting skincare in here, and this robe is gorgeous. And I think it's kind of interesting that they sent like kitchenware because, I don't know, I think it's kind of cool actually, like to get stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really pleased. I think I like this box better than the winter one. The winter one is good too, but I feel like I'm going to be using a lot more of the products in this box. But yeah, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video if this is something that you like seeing, and also if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider do so. But yeah, that's going to do it for today, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!